In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a list view in Trello. First, go to Atlassian and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, open the Trello board where you want to filter your cards. This is important because filters work at the board level, so you'll need to be inside the correct board before making any changes. When your board is open, look for the filter icon. It usually appears as a funnel near the top of the board. Click that icon to open the filtering tools. This is where you can narrow down what you see, which is especially helpful if your board has a lot of cards and you only want to focus on a specific set. Next, click into the Search or Filter field. In that field, type a keyword related to the cards you're trying to find. Trello will begin narrowing the view based on the word or phrase you enter so you can quickly locate matching cards without manually scanning the entire board. You can also refine the filter further by selecting filter options such as Member, Label, or Due Date. Choose the criteria you want to apply based on what you need to see. For example, you might want to show only cards assigned to a certain person, only cards with a specific label, or only cards with a due date coming up. As you select those options, Trello updates the board so that only matching cards remain visible. At this point, you'll be looking at a filtered list that shows only the cards that fit your chosen criteria. This makes it much easier to review tasks, track progress, or focus on a particular workflow without distractions from unrelated cards. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. There's also a handy keyboard shortcut you can use. Press Q to quickly filter the board to show only cards assigned to you. This is a fast way to check your own tasks without opening the full filter menu. When you're done, press Q again to clear that personal filter and return to the normal board view. If you want to remove all filters completely, click Clear Filters. That resets everything and brings back the full board so you can see all cards again. This is useful if you've applied multiple filters and want to start fresh. And that's it. You now know how to filter a list view in Trello using keywords, built-in filter options, and the Quick Q shortcut. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time and make busy boards much easier to manage.